Here's a little idea for your choir. Try and take a song that you all know and do it in a completely different way. Change the rhythm, you can change the vocal styling, you can do all kinds of things with it and make it a different song. So for example, if you see the workshop that I just did, we did a song, it's a very classical song, as punk singers. Then we did Dancing Queen as a country song.
Dancing Queen, from the tambourine, oh yeah!
All sorts of different things, and it just gives a completely different flavour to something you already know.
We're going to do it like someone told us we're a creep!
This is a fun kind of exercise in the choir, but if it goes really well, you might include it in your set.